Hey guys, Miami Gunner here. We got another package. Not sure what it is, but I'm excited. We're gonna do a little unboxing. It was my birthday 2 days ago, so my present's getting here a little late, but sometimes good things are worth waiting for. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing now, show you guys what's in here. I'm not sure what it is yet, but sure smells like communism. I don't know what communism smells like. I haven't been to Cuba in a while, but I can tell you it smells like communism. I'm pretty sure this tells you what it is, but we're not gonna worry about that just yet. What do you guys think it is? See some paper? Any guesses? Oh, I see some nice stuff already. What does it say there? PM-63, baby. Oh my God. I've never been so excited to get chunks of metal in the mail before. Oh my God. Look at all the slag from the torches. These poor things. It's okay. Daddy's here. Don't worry, guys. What's that say right there? Oh my God. El Skorpion. El Skorpion. Bitch, el Skorpion. Ooh. What you know about that leather case, boy? What you know about that sling? Let's check this out. What does it say? Scorpion? I think it's a scorpion. Pretty sure it's not. Look how minty, man. Wow. This is why I love surplus, man. Look how gorgeous this is. So obviously the receiver is cut up because it's just a parts kit, but this is an original VZ61 Skorpion. My goodness. Look how freaking gorgeous. I'd say it's almost in perfect condition. You got the pop-out stock. You got a bolt. The bolts are supposed to be in pretty good condition too. Got some pins. Put that back in there. Would you look at that? Wow. Almost brand new, man. Incredible. I got the grip. Iconic wood grip of the VZ61s. Skorpion. Look at that thing, man. Oh my God. It's even all oiled up, so it's like perfectly preserved. My goodness. I don't know about you guys, but there's few things that got me more excited than this. So the receiver's definitely all cut up, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put it together. Obviously just for display purposes. You could build this into a real firearm, but you would have to convert the open bolt system to closed bolt semi-automatic, which is a pain in the ass. So yep, for now this is just gonna be a display piece on my wall. All right guys, let's check out the PM-63. I don't know about you guys, but I always thought the PM-63s are one of the coolest guns ever. Why do you ask? Because who designs a gun where the bolt just comes at your face constantly while you're shooting? It takes a lot of heart. So look at the front of that gun, man. My goodness, what a beauty. We got the stock right here, if you want to call that a stock. We got the vertical grip. Looks to be in perfect condition. Let's open it up. goodness, how cool. So we got the vertical grip. And more cut up pieces. We got some slag. You gotta keep that, you know. That's like when you bring sand from the desert and you're deployed. You gotta keep this stuff, man. So we got the spring. We got, you know, a bunch of parts. Check out the bolt. So I definitely don't know how this gun works, but so far I don't see the bolt, unless this is the bolt. But yeah, guys, so I got a PM-63 parts kit, Skorpion VZ61 parts kit. Anybody else out there into parts kit? This is my 3rd and 4th parts kit. I hope to be getting a lot more soon. Not only are they going up in value, but to me, there's nothing like owning, you know, a piece of history like this. So, happy birthday to me. What an awesome present. Would you just look at that? My God.